we live?
Do.
High energy.
The Raymond Tech lifestyle. Do. Hey, finally, it's close enough to the end that I got one of these guys out.
Slow it down, buddy. The hard stuff. Woo! We do want to send a shout out to Savannah River Brewery. They actually dropped a whole cooler off of beer just for us.
Really?
Just for us.
We will be partaking in about 1 hour
After we close.
We got to maintain our professionalism until then. Hey, so let's go over a couple things. We're going to go over what we did today. First of all, we apologize for the trouble with the internet. That's why we're inside now. But listen, those videos will play fine now. So when you share them with your friends for the contest, now that they're uploaded, they share fine, they view fine. So we apologize for that. But if you go on our website, you want to see the new products, we have product videos, product specs, and everything on rectechgrills.com. So don't worry. Go to rectechgrills.com. Make sure you look at these new products. They are incredible. We started off.
They're wild.
We started off by introducing you to Dirty Girl Mixers, Dirty Girl Cocktail Mixers. That's dgmixers.com. That is a company that RecTech Grills owned. I wanted to go over a little bit with that, about that. I would not have purchased that company and partnered up with that company if it weren't for the fact that I knew that I had the RecTech Nation out there and you RecTech fans out there in the RecTech family that would try this, and if you liked it, would go to your local package store or grocery store and ask them to carry it. And that was my plan, to make it available. I know it's a little expensive online, but in the store here locally in the Southeast, the Bloody Mary mix is $4.99 or $5.99. And if it's on the shelf, and the margarita mix is, I think, $7.99. It's more expensive, of course, when convenience factor when it shows up at your door. But visit that website, try it out. Go tell your local guy that you want to carry it. If you like it, of course. We did some blind taste tests with Zing Zang. I used to like Zing Zang for the Bloody Mary mix.
Shout out.
And we won about 7 out of 10. Even some of my close friends picked Zing Zang over ours. That's good. I get it. If that's your jam, I understand it. But I'm telling you, it's a quality product, great to cook with, and we got the mixers,
amazing to cook with.
the rimmers also. So we introduced the Beast and the Chuckwagon. The Beast is a 900-pound made-in-America grill, great for restaurants, caterers, and competitors. It's also can be put on a trailer,
Church groups,
organizations, or just guys that want
Elks Lodges, the Masons.
Something
Who's
it's
the guys that run
insane.
the little cars with the hats?
Shiners.
Shiners would love this thing.
I said Shiners. But this thing is incredible. Weighs 900 pounds, made in America. On the custom-made trailer, they start off with just an axle. It's not a bought trailer. They build it around the grill for you. It weighs about 1,400 pounds to 1,800 pounds, depending on if you get the 700s. This thing starts at $89.99, $10,999. The +2 with the two 700s with front shelves is $12,999.
The sexiest one.
This thing comes with a 6-year warranty. It comes with extra parts because we know if you get this, most of you will be in some competitions. We don't want you to ever get caught. Let's say a fan goes out, you're going to have a fan. So if you're in a competition or a catering event, you're going to have a backup part so you can put it on immediately. It's all modular design. And get another part on the way. That way you'll always have a backup. You'll never, ever be let down with that grill. It has ceramic ignitions. Made in America.
Made in America, baby.
And
11 gauge steel.
It weighs
304 stainless steel.
nearly half a ton. Indestructible. Dual fire pots. Gets over 500 degrees. Smart grill technology. Next, we introduced you to BFG. Stainless steel body.
Big freaking grill.
Big freaking grill, as we're saying on the internets. It is stainless steel body, smart grill technology, indestructible fire pot. It's got a single fire pot with a higher RPM motor. Still gets over 500 degrees, 2 lights, 3 shelves, 2,600 inches of cooking space, 53-pound hopper, crazy big. It weighs 450 pounds. Competition cart comes standard, front shelf comes standard. This thing retails at $27.99. We're having on sale, introductory offer, pre-orders, $24.99 until Tuesday, 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way the folks on the West Coast
videos to get that
are covered.
Is there also a deal, limited time only, till Tuesday at 3 a.m. for the Beast and Chuckwagon?
Thank you, Jordan. And there is, and that is 400 pounds of pellets free with that. That is for local pickup, but we are going to work on some shipping options. You do have to pay shipping on that. Obviously we can't just load that up, but I think there's car haulers that will ship a trailer like that or a big grill for you like that. So I'm going to make a few calls. So we'll assist you in shipping in that. We're going to have I'm going to put somebody on to make a few calls on that. And we can assist you on some quotes should you need, if you're not able to drive here and get that.
But that BFG ships free right to your door, right?
The BFG, $27.99. Again, it's $24.99 until Tuesday at 3 a.m. That includes shipping to your door. It is a lot of grill for the money.
6-year warranty.
6-year warranty, man. And the truth is, it will last many, many years longer than that. That's a 6-year warranty, bumper to bumper on all your components. Even your your hydraulic assists are covered in that warranty. So that's an incredible warranty. After the 6 years, honestly, there's really 5 components that can fail. You got your fan, your auger motor, your RTDs, and your ceramic ignition system or the computer. All of those can be replaced very reasonably.
Super easy.
Worst case scenario, you're talking a computer for $199. But again, that's covered in your 6-year warranty. Okay. Next, we showed you the WyldSide. Now, we are kind of really excited about the WyldSide.
Very much so.
We stay true to cooking with wood. That's really by definition
Get back to the core of it.
The only way to really barbecue by definition is with wood. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing like the RecTech Smart Grill technology is setting something, smoking it. We get it. It's unbelievable.
We love the convenience, being able to turn your grill on the way home. Your grill does all the work for you. But sometimes you want to get out there, you want to get your hands dirty, you want to build a fire, you want to create that environment.
I want to grab a chainsaw sometimes.
Exactly.
So
Jody.
I want to grab the biggest axe available, and I just want to chop wood all day.
I want to
every
get
day,
the
baby.
log splitter out
inner
sometimes.
lumberjack.
It's like getting back to your roots, your primal instincts, the WyldSide. We're excited about it.
Get your wild
And
side.
I've had a ball with it at my hunting camp and testing this thing out because, there's some nights we're like, let's fire it up. Let's get a real fire going. And there's nothing like standing around a real fire, see real flames. And that's what we wanted to bring back, some fun, some primal fun. I hope you enjoy the WyldSide. Little different style of cooking. Get your asada on.
Asado is a Spanish
Google
word,
it. Google it.
Essentially meaning
Start a fire,
starting
get
a
around,
fire, getting
cook
together
some
with your
meat.
family,
Cook some
getting
meat.
together, fellowship. It's barbecue church, baby. It's barbecue church.
That's
We're just
right.
getting together, tell some lies around a campfire and have some fun with it.
I don't lie. Jody does.
Sometimes.
Hey,
About
also,
fishing, stories,
we
and
announced
beer,
that we hired full-time Chef John. And so you're going to be seeing a lot more of Chef John. We're excited about that. And he'll be coming on full-time in about a week.
Yeah, about a week.
About a week.
Yeah.
See you Monday.
And he owns Whistle Stop Cafe downtown Augusta, Georgia. Be sure to visit. But he's got that thing on autopilot now, so he's actually going to be here at RecTech full-time.
Got some
We're
great
excited to have him.
videos in the pipeline from Chef John coming up.
That's
That's
right. Make sure you stay tuned to the YouTube channels and all our social media outlets for all those new videos.
573 6th Street.
That's it. That's it. 573.
Me and Steve are going to start filming again.
Yep, I've already got Ray scheduled for
Recipe
him and
videos
Stevie
coming up,
recipe
yeah.
videos, so those are
I've
going to be
got
great.
some killer recipes I'm about to do.
I'm making
you're
Ray
gonna love.
cook with me. Ray's going to have to do videos with me as well.
It's the first time hearing of this.
We
I like it.
want more Stevie stories, though. That's what we need.
And again, we want to congratulate our Zach. He had a beautiful little baby boy, 7 pound, 2 ounce Zachary. I can't remember Azura this morning at University, I believe, one of the local hospitals. But anyways,
Congratulations,
Zach. We
Zach.
sorry you missed today, but we know you got more important things to worry about.
Is there a deal on the WyldSide?
Thank you again, Jordan. The WyldSide is $17.99, but until Tuesday at 3 a.m. it's going to be $16.99. That's saving you $100 to get the grill for pre-ordering and being patient. These grills are going to be built here shortly. They're going to be shipping late April, the early May. The faster you order, the faster in line. You want to know who's first in line for the BFG?
Who bought the first BFG?
I just wanted to thank him, Mr. Gregory Gladfelder. Purchases the BFG. He's the first person that purchased the BFG. We threw some goodies in there for you, Gregory. I hope you enjoy them. And thank you for the purchase. And I'm telling you, this thing turned out better than we expected.
Ray already called him and talked to him.
I called him and congratulated him in a second ago and thanked him. But so thanks, Greg, and I put you some goodies in there, no charge, and I hope you enjoy them.
Contest.
The contest, last but not least. Tell them about the contest, big guy.
Okay, so all of these videos are uploaded onto Facebook. Please hit the share button, the like button, the heart button. Every time that you share these videos, you will be entered in a chance to win many, many different products. We won't go through all of them. There's
Yeah,
a bunch of
it's real easy.
There's a bunch of stuff.
Ray's
We're
got it.
giving away.
Ray's got it down pat.
We're giving away a WyldSide. We're giving away a BFG. We're giving away a RT-TMG 700. We're giving away 5 Matadors. That's 8 winners. 8 chances to win. We're just drawing the names. You're entered in each time you share the video.
Every
Tell
time.
your friends.
You can enter as many as possible.
It really helps.
Easy
This doesn't
peasy.
increase your chances. But if you write a little something like, "Hey, like this page, good, a fun page to follow," the more likes we get, it really helps us because they can see what we can do. We can see what our customers share. Really, the more you share, the more you get your friends to like our page, the more it helps us. I mean, we're a social media company, and we like to get in front, interact with our customers. You guys know that.
Absolutely. So the WyldSide is going to be $17.99, but for this weekend only, it's going to be $16.99. The BFG normally $27.99. You're looking at $24.99. That's $300. It comes standard with the competition cart, the front folding shelf, the 53-pound hopper, the Y-pellet Wi-Fi connectivity. It's 2,535 square inches of cooking surface,
that's a
cheese
lot of
and
grill.
crackers.
Oh, that's a lot of
Industrial
grill.
strength wheels.
Absolutely.
400 free pounds of pellets with the Beast or the Chuckwagon. You get free Tuesday until 3 a.m. as well.
And don't forget about financing, guys. We have financing available at rectechgrills.com. Don't let the sticker shock you or anything like that.
It's
You
all
can split
automated.
Pay. You can finance one half. You can pay the other half, guys. It's super, super easy, very convenient to get that financing available at rectechgrills.com.
That's right. I think we've pretty much covered. We were great to have the other co-founder Ron here today.
Ron,
we had a lot of great
somewhere
visitors. We
shaking
appreciate all the support. Sorry for the little glitchy videos. They are fine now.
They uploaded great.
Please
They
share
uploaded
them.
great.
And they uploaded now and they're fine. So when you share them, there will not be no pauses in there.
And then we'll be
smooth.
going live on Twitter as well. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow Ray on Facebook as well. We're also going live today, tomorrow. Don't forget, we're having a chili cook-off here at work, so we'll be going live as well.
During the Super Bowl, we're going live because we're going to give away some things at the Super Bowl
Absolutely.
as well.
We
So
got some stuff. Make sure you follow
we're having a
us.
party
Make
at my
sure you
house.
Share these, make sure you share all of these videos. That way, you have a chance to win. But yeah, again, I just want to echo Ray. Thank you so much for all of the volunteers, especially Lane's Barbecue, Southbound Smokehouse, Carrie Chastain, Jim and Jam Bird, Jason Keener, Savannah River Brewery, Nicholas Dalton. Happy birthday, Jason Keener, and happy birthday, Ezra. We really do appreciate it. Congratulations, Zach.
Good job,
The birth
Zach.
of my son was the greatest thing ever. And Ray says the same thing. So congratulations to both.
Take care.
Guys.
But we love you. Thank you guys so much.